You don't have to give a long speech. Just try speaking a few sentences every day. Every mistake is just a step toward fluency. Simple English is the best English. Hey there, let me ask you one question. Have you ever wanted to speak English but felt too nervous? Maybe your mind goes blank or you are afraid of making mistakes. Well, you are not alone. You know, this is common to most of the English learners in the beginning. But what if I told you that fear is the only thing stopping you from speaking fluently? Guess what? You can overcome this problem. I'm English Friend 360 and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can overcome the fear of speaking English fluently step by step. So stay with me till the end. Okay? So step number 1, change your mindset. Change your mindset. First of all, let's talk about fear. Why are you getting scared? Is it because you think people will laugh at you? Or maybe you feel you are not good enough? Listen, making mistakes is a part of learning. Okay? Nobody speaks perfectly in the beginning, not even native speakers. So instead of thinking, what if I make a mistake? Just think, what if I learn something new? Okay, you see the difference? The first mindset keeps you stuck, but the second mindset moves you forward. Just shift your mindset and you have already won half the battle, right? Okay. Now step number 2, start small, speak more. I know, easier said than done, right? But here is a trick. Start small. You don't have to give a long speech. Just try speaking a few sentences every day. Talk to yourself in English. For example, when you are making a tea, say I'm making a tea. When you are walking, say I'm going to work. In this way, it might feel silly at first, but trust me, it works wonderfully. The more you speak like this, the more comfortable you will feel. Okay. And step number 3, find a safe place to practice. Now I get it, speaking in front of people can be scary. So start in a safe environment. Talk to a friend who supports you, or join an online speaking group, or even better, record yourself talking. When you listen to your own voice, you will realize it's not as bad as you think. Trust me, you will be surprised at how quickly you improve. Okay? And step number 4, learn to laugh at your mistakes. Here is something important. Don't be too serious. If you make a mistake, laugh it off. Think about kids. Do they stop speaking because they say a wrong word? No, they never stop. They keep going. That's the spirit you need. Okay? So remember, every mistake is just a step toward fluency. Okay, so now let's move on to step number 5. Use simple English. Don't overcomplicate. Actually, a lot of learners think they need big fancy words and they need to speak so fast to sound fluent, right? But that's not true. Simple English is the best English. Speak in short, clear sentences and with medium pace. For example, instead of saying I'm extremely exhausted, just say I'm very tired. See, it's easier and it still sounds great. Okay, and finally, step number 6, face your fear one step at a time. Now, here comes the real deal. Facing your fear, start by speaking to one person, then two persons, then a small group, step by step. You will get better. And one day, without even realizing it, you will be speaking English confidently. That's it. Alright, let's quickly go over what we have discussed in this video today. So, number 1, change your mindset. Mistakes help you grow. Number 2, start small. Speak a little every day. And number 3, find a safe place. Talk to your friends or record yourself. Number 4, laugh at your mistakes. Don't take them too seriously. Number 5, keep it simple. No need for fancy words. And number 6, face your fear. Start with small conversations and build up. So that's all, my dear friends. So what is the takeaway? Fear is just a feeling, not a fact. So, the more you practice, the less power it has over you. Start small, make mistakes, and most importantly, keep going. Now, tell me, what is that one thing you are going to do today to overcome your fear? Drop a comment below. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 for more tips like this to improve your English speaking skills. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Keep speaking, keep improving. Bye.